Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome back to another episode of product reviews. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the M4 quarter-inch hex 2-speed screwdriver kit. I've never used any of the M4 products, so this will be kind of interesting. There's the box, 5-year warranty for the tool, 2-year warranty for the battery. Oh wow. This is what it looks like. This is actually pretty tiny. It's M4. Looks like it has adjustable speeds for drilling all the way down to a 1, I guess. This comes with 2 batteries. I don't know if anyone out there has used the M4 line before, but kind of interesting. Much smaller than the M12s or the M18s. It slides in like that. Oh, and then you twist to lock. You bend it like that. Oh, you lock it or unlock it there. Oh, okay, never mind. It has 2 speeds. 1 and 2. And then this is just for, I don't know, the amount of torque you could have, I guess. So it came with a bit. I didn't really have anything prepared to show you guys how well this screws in or out. Just a basic forward and reverse. This is pretty cool. If you just got a quick little project, you gotta screw something in or take a screw out, I think this would be pretty good for that. It's small, it's compact, it's got tiny little batteries, which is kind of cool. I don't know what other kind of M4 products exist out there, but anyone in the comments might be a good resource. Maybe you guys can comment other cool M4 products. Again, in this, it came with a charger, 2 batteries, and then the screwdriver itself. So, there you have it. It is the Milwaukee quarter-inch hex screwdriver M4. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.